Well, I wonder why it got hot. Them tubes is plugged.
I would never guess this thing would have a coolant leak in it. Of course, it could be leaking in the engine. Who fucking knows?
Yep, we were at 17.5 when I stopped, and it's at 17. So let's do a little investigation. See anything yet? Because you had coolant everywhere, so.
That makes it easy. The coolant is a little low in the distributor cap.
Oh, we better top that off. Yeah, look at it. I'm trying to get a shot of it. Oh, someone check the coolant level on the distributor.
That's a brand new distributor cap, and those are brand new wires.
Oh,
just so you know.
Yeah.
I mean, they wouldn't say it if it wasn't true.
Well,
Would they?
that place would.
Yeah, probably. Yeah, so the...
I smell coolant really fucking bad.
yeah, so do I. But it's everywhere, so I...
Yeah, so blows my idea out of the water.
What's it down to now?
16. Actually, it's still at about 17.5.
You want to put it up in the air and see if we can see leakage from underneath?
I mean, I don't think it's leaking that bad, really.
Yeah.
I think it just got fucking hot.
Yeah. It definitely got hot. I mean, that
Well-
radiator's kind of funky. And I don't know, that hose at the bottom, that connection there, where it's all sort of corroded looking,
Yeah, it's cute.
might not be the best.
Look at this radiator.
I mean, yeah, the radiator looks pretty hokey. And he said there's a bunch of sludge in there.
Oh, yeah. There's video of it. It's at the beginning of this video. There's a little water here, but I think that's from us.
Probably.
Let's bring it up just to see.
The radiator I've had out before is not too bad, I believe.
No, I won't take say this makes your GTO look nice.
The frame, this frame rust, look at that.
Oh. I cracked the petcock and there's nothing on the floor yet.
I don't know where it's gone. And look at the way the frame is supposed to look. There's that.
Well, luckily that's just like a piece of rectangle.
And there's that.
Oh, I found it, Yahtzee! I'm standing there. What the fuck? Got a fucking bat.
Hey, that's pretty cool. That's a pretty cool feature, you know?
I don't think that's stock, but...
Oh, you don't think so? You think Ludwig added that?
Oh, yeah. Oh, you said his name.
Oh,
Oh, fuck me.
comes from both sides.
God damn it.
That's right, we got it.
Oh, now you got 3.
Oh, these two are closer together.
This fucking car, I swear to God. Fiona's...
What happened to you? You were abused in your prior life.
Somebody didn't love her.
No. Which is
Hey.
weird because she's kind of a cool car.
Here's the parking brake. You know it goes...
Oh, yeah, that's right. It's a clamp.
Yeah, it's like a big rig. Like a baby fucking big rig.
Baby big rig.
Yeah.
I'm thinking something's wrong here.
Somebody didn't like Fiona back in the day. Oh, good lord. Damn. Wick, look at down in the... Good God.